Students, in my previous video I started this topic, that is importance of statistics, and I also discussed importance of statistics to the government, how statistics helps the government, that I already discussed in my previous video. uh, the subject statistics was initially used by the ancient rulers in assessment of their military and economic strength. Gradually its scope was enlarged to tackle other problems related to political activities of the economy. In present scenario, the government collect large amount of statistics for various purposes. If we talk about our country, like India is a democratic country. Various political parties or groups are also guided by the statistical analysis regarding their popularity in the masses. Today I am going to discuss importance in economics. What is the role of statistics, importance of statistics in economics. So I am writing here importance in economics. What is the role of statistics in economics? There are various way and various economic problems which is essentially in nature, one of the nature of statistical statistics. Some of the use of statistics in economics are, what are the some uses of statistics in economics are: first one is formulation of economic laws. Formulation of economic laws, like as you know, student, every branch of economics takes support from statistics in order to prove various economic theories. You will see the various proving the theories of various economic law. There is a need of statistical data. Statistics also provide important guidelines for formulation of various economic policies. Most of the economic problems are capable of being expressed in numerical figures. For example, as you know, like if what is the output of agriculture, that that data is always in numerical fact. Yeah, volume of exports, price of commodity, etc. So we can say that there is various role of statistics in economics. The first one is formulation of economic laws. The famous law, you will study law of demand. You must have heard about law of demand. That is the part of microeconomics. That is a basic law of demand is a you will study in consumer behavior. The important topic of consumer behavior is law of demand. And law of demand and the concept is in this chapter. One more concept is elasticity of demand, have been developed by the inductive method of generalization, which is based on statistical principle. These law or few concept of economics will be discussed with the help of statistical principles or statistical data. So it is and what would be the law of demand, or what is the aggregate demand in the economy. All these things can be explained with the help of statistical data, and through these data the economic laws has formed. Second one is helps in understanding and solving an economic problems. Statistics helps in understanding and solving economic problems. Statistical data and statistical methods play a vital role in understanding and solving economic problems, such as what kind of problems in economy, like poverty, unemployment, unemployment, disparities in distribution of income and wealth, disparities in the distribution distribution of income and wealth, etc. These economic problem can be understand and can be solved with the help of statistical data. For example, what is the poverty ratio? Suppose India, we say according to 2011 data, census data, that 21% of population of India are residing below poverty line. Means we used to our government know that how much population of India is poor, and according to the data they can plan and make policies. So with the help of statistical data, for the government it would be easy to remove to sort out the problems that is in economy, like with the help of data related to poverty, unemployment, or disparity in the poor, and what is the gap between poor and rich in terms of economic. So here the government can make policies if the government have proper data related to these problems. Next importance in economics is studies of market structure. Studies of market structure, like market structure. Statistical data help in the study the market structure. There are various kind of market structure. Basically, that is in your syllabus. There are 4 kind, like perfect competition. That is the part of microeconomics you will come to know about. And microeconomics, perfect competition, oligopoly, that is the structure of economy, monopoly, etc. This is the structure of market, structure of the market, and that what is the perfect competition, what is oligopoly and monopoly, that you have to study in microeconomics in details. And for these market structure requires statistical comparison of market price, cost, profit of individual items. Like in perfect competition, what would be the price of the commodity? In oligopoly, what would be the price and profit of the commodity and production? And then monopoly. Next is fourth is helps in establishing mathematical relation. Helps in establishing mathematical relation. Helps in establishing mathematical relation. Statistical method can also be used to estimate mathematical relation between various economic variables. For example, you will understand with the help of example. For example, data on price. Suppose data on price corresponding to quantity. Data of price corresponding to quantity demanded of a commodity. Quantity demanded of the commodity can be used to estimate mathematical form of demand relation between two variables. So if we have data on the price of commodity, and on the basis of price how much quantity is demanded, this will help the relationship between this will estimate help the to form a relation of demand between the two variables. In two variables, with the help of statistical data, what is price and quantity demand, what will be the relation between price and quantity demanded. With the help of statistical data we can explain it. So these are the importance of statistics in economics. Again I am repeating, you should know the important points and then you can easily explain it. Now, first one is formulation of economic laws helps in understanding and solving economic problems. These problems can be solved with the help of statistics, studies of market structure. What would be the market structure? Here, statistics also helps, and helps in establishing mathematical relation. If you have 2 and 3 variables, then what would be the relation between these variables? We can take help from the statistics. So these are the importance of statistics in economics. Now, importance in economic planning. Now, students, importance in economic planning. Importance of statistics in economic planning. Economic planning is necessary for achieving economic plan for any economy. Economic planning is necessary to achieve faster rate of growth through best use of natural resources. Nation's resources, that would be the proper word. Nation's resources. Through economic planning, it would be easy to achieve faster rate of growth through best use of nation's resources. So economic planning is very necessary for any country. And how statistics help in economic planning? So at every stage of economic planning, there is a need for figures and statistical methods. For economic planning, every stage of planning in any country, there is need for figure and statistical methods. Why the need of figure and statistical method? Because using statistical technique, it is possible to assess with the help of a statistical method. It would be easy. It is possible to assess the amount of various resources available in the economy. With the help of statistical method, it is possible to assess the amount of various resources available in the economy, and accordingly, with the if the government know what kind of resources in the economy, accordingly determine whether the specified rate of growth is achievable or sustainable. Means with the help of statistics, it is possible to assess the amount of various resources available in the economy, and through the amount of resources, it would be easy for the government to achieve the growth rate that is planned in economic planning. So here statistics play a significant role in economic planning. For economic planning, and why the need of economic planning? Because through economic planning, for government, it would be easy to attain faster rate of growth through best use of nation's resources. And for planning, their need for figures and data, and through these data and use of statistical method, it is possible to assess the amount of various resources available in the economy. And by the assessment, it would be easy, and it would be easy to assess whether the government can achieve a specified rate of growth and it would be sustainable or not. Statistical analysis of data regarding an economy may reveal certain crucial areas like increasing rate of inflation. If the government know what is the inflation rate, and if the high inflation rate, then government will take immediate action. So it is rather impossible to think of a situation where economic planning can be done without the use of statistical technique. That is the importance of statistics in economic planning. Students, importance of statistics in business. Most important importance of statistics in business is for establishing a business unit. Starting a business, for any business, it is necessary to know its feasibility. It involves detailed information about location, size of output, availability of input, taxes, size of market share, turnover, etc. Statistics provide guideline which may prove to be helpful in making key decisions. For any business, starting a business, it is necessary, very important for businessman to know the detailed information about location, size of output, availability of inputs, size of market share, turnover, etc. This is a basic requirement every businessman must know for before establishing a business. And statistics helps or provide guideline which may prove to be helpful in making key decisions. Here statistics, how statistics help in establishing business unit. With the statistical data, the business man can or entrepreneur can decide whether they should establish a business or not, or analyze the market, whether their product will sell, how many units they should produce, what would be the price. In all those things, here statistics play a significant role. Now second is for estimating the demand of product. For estimating the demand of product. After launching of the business, the next step is to estimate the present as well as future demand of the product. What would be the present demand and what would be the future demand of the product? Statistical methods are extremely useful in preparing trends lines leading to reliable forecasting. With the help of statistical methods, they can forecast what would be the demand of their goods and what is demand of the goods in a present scenario, and that would be very extremely helpful in the preparing trend lines leading to reliable forecast. Next is for production planning. The businessman has to plan its production so that he is able to meet the demand of its products and minimize losses on account of over and under production. Careful production planning is essential for maintaining a balance between demand and supply. For any business, it is very necessary to plan its production so that the businessman able to meet the demand of his product and minimize loss. If there would be overproduction, then that will be loss. That will generate loss to the businessman. So it is necessary to for maintaining balance between demand and supply. The businessman must have proper data related to the what is the demand and how they should supply on the basis of statistical data. That would be that will help them to decide. Next one is for making marketing strategy. For making marketing strategy, how statistics help in making marketing strategy. Before a product is launched, you have seen also, market research team makes use of various statistical technique like pilot survey. There are various surveys done before launching any product to analyze. It is necessary to analyze data on population, purchasing power, habit of the consumer, competitor, pricing. These such data or such studies reveal the possible market potential of the product. For making a marketing strategy, like if any businessman wanted to establish a business, they do some survey on data on population, if the population can purchase or not, what are the habit of the consumers, competitor, how many competitors are in market, pricing, etc. These study reveal possible market potential for the product. So through this, the businessman can take help from the statistical data. Now next is accounts writing and auditing. Every businessman keeps accounts of revenue and expenditure. For taking certain decisions in the business, these accounts are required to be summarized in a statistical way. As statistical methods also helpful in generalizing relationship between two and more variables in the economy. For example, they may consist the calculation of typical measures like average production per unit of labor, average production per hour, average rate of returns on investment, etc. On these areas, the statistics help in the business, especially writing and auditing. So these are the importance of statistics. In my next video, I will discuss limitation of statistics. Thank you.